Hello my alien students, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing good. So today what we're going to learn? We're going to learn something very good. Actually it's going to be a trailer of a movie. Okay. Hope everyone is doing well. It's been some time since John appeared. Let's say disappeared, isn't it? Anyway, what I'm trying to convey message is I'm going to make a course now. Okay, it's going to be a trailer of a movie. It's not just mechanical, or it's not going to be just plumbing. Okay, it's going to be MEP. Okay, the whole stuff. Okay, so this will be the whole project. Be ready for it. Okay, complete project. Lighting, everything. Okay, and then we have the HVAC. So what I want you to do is sit back, enjoy this beautiful alien class coming up soon. We're going to start from scratch. Okay, it doesn't matter if you have you have knowledge or don't have knowledge. It's going to be from the basics. Okay, complete course, Revit MEP. Okay, from the basics, from the scratch. Okay, so what I want you to do is sit back and enjoy this beautiful alien course. Okay, so this is the plumbing stuff. Okay, we're going to finish it, don't worry. Be ready for the alien class. Okay, complete piping, drainage, everything. Okay, this is the plumbing. Okay, then this is the HVAC. Okay, complete project, so don't worry. You learn a lot of things here, lot of things. You see, these are also electrical receptors. Okay, you're going to learn something. So what I want you to do is panel board. Okay, you learn a lot of things. Anyway, take care. We see each other in the next class, fresh and energized.